If you've ever used Incognito mode in Chrome and wondered how to delete the history afterward, here's the important answer. Chrome does not actually save your browsing history, cookies, or site data while you're in Incognito mode. So in most cases, there is no Incognito history inside Chrome to delete. The moment you close all of your Incognito tabs and windows, that session data is removed from the browser. That said, there is one thing you may still want to clear if you're being extra careful, and that's the DNS cache on your device. This is different from Chrome history, and it can sometimes store background network traces locally. If you're on Windows, you can clear it quickly. First, close any Incognito tabs or windows you still have open. This ensures the private browsing session is fully ended. Then, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and open it as an administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once the command prompt opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and then press Enter. After a second, you should see a confirmation message that says the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. That means the local DNS cache has been cleared from your computer. So to recap, you don't need to delete Incognito history in Chrome, because Chrome doesn't save it in the first place. Just close the Incognito window to erase the session from the browser, and if you want to remove any device-level network traces on Windows, flush the DNS cache using Command Prompt. If this video helped, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.